Hi, welcome to InfinCE Help. Let's have a brief tour of RBAC, or Role-Based Access Control in InfinCE through your InfinCE guide, Natasha. With RBAC, you can create and manage custom roles with the required set of permissions. To manage roles, go to Administration, Settings, and click on Roles and Permissions. InfinCE gives you a list of default roles that are essential to run the organization. The first signed-up user, by default, will have the super admin role, a role that possesses all possible permissions. Clicking on the role name or view icon lets you see the details of the role, including all the selected permissions. System default roles have pre-checked permissions that can be user-edited if needed. 2 default system permissions exist for all roles: View Profile under General, and Allow Access to Provisioned Applications under Applications. For detailed information on permissions, please visit the help document, Roles and Permissions. Remember that there's an option to rename every role. Use the Add Role option to introduce a new role with all the required permissions. Now, let's create a new role for an HR manager who needs to have the permissions to manage their own OUs, and in addition needs to handle user administration for entire organization. Now, when a user with the new HR manager role logs in, they are able to manage the user administration without having access to any other admin modules. In short, RBAC gives you full control over creating custom roles and allocating access permissions to those roles. That sums up our brief overview of InfinCE Role-Based Access Control, or RBAC.